Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log into Easyship account. To log into your existing Easyship account is just a couple of steps away. So let's get to the video right away. The first thing you'll need to do is to launch open a web browser. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box and type in easyship.com and search. You will end up in the main official website. Click on Sign In, appearing at the top left corner. On the next page, it'll prompt you to enter your email and password. Make sure you type in your email address correct. Type in the same email that you registered with. Once you are done, head over to the Password tab and type in your password for your account. If you have trouble remembering the password, click the Forgot Your Password link. Finally, click Login to log into your Easyship account. And there you have successfully logged in, as you can see it on the display. So that's how you can easily log into your existing Easyship account in just a couple of minutes. If the video was helpful to you, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.